Hello, mathematician friends. It's Mrs. Doran and Ava here, and we are here to do some math with you. But of course, before the mathematicians start, the mathematicians need to warm up their brains. So let's go ahead and we're going to count today. And I know we've been counting to 20, but we're getting ready for Thanksgiving. I think we could try a little harder. Let's see if we can start counting from 10, and we're going to count up from 10. Are you ready? So we're going to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Oh, stop. How'd you do? Good job, everybody. Give me a high five. Let's see if we can count by tens. Should we count by tens, Ava? Here we go. Let's count by tens. Everybody get your mouth ready so I can see. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yay! I'm so proud, everybody. In fact, you're looking good. I'm going to teach you a new celebration. This is how you do it. You pretend you have a picture frame, so you put your two fingers up here and you go like this. Looking good. Can you do it with me? Let's try it. Looking good, because your math is looking pretty good, I'd say. Well, we've been doing games all week, haven't we? And I've actually got some different games to teach you today. In fact, there's probably like 3 or 4 games I'm about to show you, and I think you're going to like them. So for your games today, you're going to need those number cards again. So you can get those out in a little bit. But before you get them out, let's go ahead and just see what we have here. So just like we've been talking about those positional words, I've got 2 positional words here. I have before. Can you read it with me? Before. And then I have after. Say after with me. After. And what you do for this game is you pick one number and you put it in the middle. So there's my number there. Do you guys know what number that is? That's right, it's a 3. So hold up and show me with your fingers what number comes before 3. Okay, you get your fingers ready while I'm looking for the card. Because to play this game, you need to find the card. I see a lot of numbers up, a lot of fingers up. You're right, 2. So now I need to know what number comes after 3. So you guys go ahead and hold up your fingers when you think you know what number comes after 3. I see some, can you believe this, Ava? All these numbers, these boys and girls are so smart. 4. So 4 comes after 3. So we've got 2, 3, 4. It kind of reminds me of that calendar activity we do in the beginning. Let's do one more of this game, just since we're just showing the boys and girls how to do it. So I'm going to start another one. Okay, so that's 5. So what number comes before 5? Show me with your fingers. Go ahead and show me. I'm going to look for the card again. Okay, got it? Are they ready, Ava? Go look and see. Okay, yeah. All right, I see a lot of this in the screen. 4, you're right. So 4, 5, and then what comes after 5? After 5 comes 6. You're right. Hey, Ava, Ava, are you paying attention here? Can you guys see what Ava's doing? Ava, what have you got here? Oh, Ava has some macaroni. Did you guys know that Ava's favorite food is macaroni and cheese? Well, even though she has macaroni noodles out, we're not going to use them. And you don't really need macaroni for this next game, but you do need something small that you could use as a counter. So maybe we have macaroni in this house, don't we? Because we like macaroni and cheese. But you could use like Cheerios. Those are my favorite cereal. Or if you had candy at your house, you could totally use candy or Legos or anything small, because this is how we're going to play the next game. All right, so again, you're going to need your number cards, and then you are going to need to put these number cards in order, kind of like we did yesterday. So you remember how we had 0, what comes after is 1, and then 2, and then 3. I'm going to do a couple just so we can see these. 3, 4. Oh, it's not 4. 4, 5. Oh, and then 6. And then 7. Now, you might be wondering, Mrs. Dorn, where does that macaroni part come in? And I'm about to show you. So when you put, after you put those cards in order, then what you can do is you're going to take whatever item you have and you're going to put however many the card says on there. So 0. You don't have to put any macaroni noodles or Cheerios or Oreos or Legos or whatever it is you're using, paper clips. So that has 1, so I'm going to put 1 there. This one needs 2, 1, 2. The next card needs 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I have a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could play this with a friend or a grown-up or a brother or sister or a stuffed animal like Ava, as long as you've got a stuffed animal that's not going to eat all the food, right, Ava? 1, 2, 3. Then I need 2 more, 4, 5. And then I'm going to need 6 here. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, and I don't know, do I have enough for 7 on this card? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, you won't believe it. I have exactly enough. So that's how you could play. That's one way that you could play the number cards games. So you could do the before and after. You could do the lineup with the things on it. And then there's one more that's kind of fun. And I know Ava loves this one because it really gets you moving. So when you have all these cards, and I think we talked about this on Choice Boards too. So you've got these cards and you can set them up all around your house and you can put them in not too far away because you want to be able to jump to them. And I know how much we love jumping and playing the floor is lava and all that other good stuff. So I'm laying out these cards for Ava. And Ava's going to start, do you know what number you start at, Ava? Yes, 0. So our 0 is right here. And I'm going to say, Ava, jump to the 1. Did she do it? Can you see? Oh, she did it. And I'm going to say, Ava, jump to the 2. And guess what she's sitting on right now? Oh, she's got the 2. Ava, what will come after 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you could play by going backwards. So you could even jump 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's a fun one. That's another one that she loves to play. And you could also do fun things too, where you can talk about getting your body moving and your brain moving at one time. You could use these cards and you could pull a card and it can tell you how many of something you need to do. So I know some of our friends have trampolines, so they could do trampolines. Maybe you could do jumping jacks or somersaults or whatever it is you want to do. But maybe we're going to do jumping. So if we pulled this card, how many jumps would we need to do, boys and girls? Remember this number? 8. So let's do 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So boys and girls, there are so many fun games that we can play with number cards. The before, the after. You could get out some noodles or Cheerios or whatever. You could hop to the number. Or you can just exercise your body and your brain. I'm curious what you are going to do for your choice today. So let's talk and see what you're going to do.